Hello guys, welcome to the sixth video tutorial on Python programming for beginners. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use string in your Python program efficiently. So I think I have shown you in the earlier videos how to use strings very briefly, but in this video, I'm going to take this string in detail. So I have this Python file. I have shown you in the last videos that how you can make Python files and run them using this run command, right? So I have this Python file and I have this Python shell open. So I'm going to write my code here and I will see the result in this shell. Okay. So how to use strings in Python? So there are three methods or three ways you can use strings, and I'm going to show you all three ways. So consider this example. We have three variables a, b and c, and all three of them I have assigned a string. One string which is assigned to variable a is enclosed in single quotes, right? The second string is enclosed in double quotes, right? And the third string, which is assigned to C, is enclosed in three or triple quotes. And I'm trying to print all three of them one by one. So I want to print A, print B, and print C, and let's see what happens. So first of all, I'm going to save my program, and then I will just run this module or press F5 to run it. And when I press this run, I will see the result here, and the result will be the same. So you can print the same string in three ways. Either you can use a single quote, or you can use double quotes, or you can use triple quotes to print the string, and the result will always be same in Python. Now suppose you want to use, for example, this is a string enclosed in single quote and you want to use some single quote here. So for example, I want to say uh, I'm a single quoted string, and for example I want to use a word called don't, which also take a single quote here, this kind of single quote. And when I use the single quote which with the string which is enclosed already in single quote, then what your Python program will interpret is your string starts from here and your string ends here, and this will be some alien to your Python, you know, Python program, because it will think that this single quote is start from here and ends here. So this is a string, and what is this? It's not recognized by the Python. So whenever you want to use a single quote in the string which is already there inside the single quote, you can use a escape character. And what is the escape character in Python? Escape character in Python is backslash. So just use this backslash, and now you can see that your backslash is hiding, or it's saying Python that we want to use single quote inside the string. Okay, and this is called escape character. So in the same way, when you want to use double quote in the string which is already there in the double quotes, for example here I want to use double quote, the same problem will come here. Your Python program will see that your string starts here and ends here, and this will not be recognized by your Python program. So here also you can use backslash to hide, or to say Python that we are using double quotes, but it's the part of the string and it's not starting or ending of the string. Okay, in a same manner you can use single quote here, and you can use this backslash to show this backslash or double quotes here. Now I will save my program. I will just click Control S and run it once again, F5, and you can see the answer is like this. So I'm a single quoted string, and this single quote is visible now here. And just remember that this is just a escape character, so this will not be printed. This will help your single quote to print, but this will not be printed. In the same way, you can see it's printing this double quote here because we are using escape character, and in the same way it will work in the third string like this. Now suppose you want to print this this escape character. So you have some string which uses this, and you want to print here this backslash. How you can do it? You just need to use wherever you need to print this backslash. So for example, I will use backslash here, and let's see first of all what will be the result. For example, I want to print backslash here, here, and here, and I will save my program and run it by pressing F, or this run Python module. It will show me this backslash here, right? But better way is to just use double slash. Let's see what happens when we use double slash. I will save it and run the program, and now it shows backslash like this. So it's always better to use double slash whenever you want to print this single backslash here. Okay, now suppose you want to print the length, or you want to find out the length of your string. What you can do, you can use a built-in function called len, and I think I have already shown this function to you, but once again I'm going to show you. So I want to find the length of the string a. I can just use len, and I will pass my variable a as an argument, and I can save it, and I can run it. I will run it here once again, and now it says 34. So the length of my string a is 34. Okay, so in the same way you can find the length of b and c also, right? Now suppose I have a string a. For example, I have string a like this, hello, and space, and string b is like that, hello world. Okay, and how can I join these strings? I can join these strings just like, you just need to use a and plus and b. So plus is called a concatenation operator here, and what this plus does, it just adds or concatenate these two strings a and b. So I will save the program and run it once again, and it gives me the answer hello world, right? So this plus concatenates your string, you can see here. Now for example, I will just delete this, and I have this variable a, and I want to print it 10 times, and I don't want to use a and then plus a, once again a. I want to print it 10 times, or suppose I want to print it 100 times. There is a short way to print this a 100 times, or whatever number of times. What you need to do is you just need to use your variable which contains your string, and then give a asterisk symbol here. So give this asterisk symbol, and then the number of time you want to iterate. For example, I want to print hello 10 times. I can just give 10 here, and I can save the program and I can run it once again, and now you can see it has printed hello 10 times. This I can do, I can change it to 100 and it will print hello 100 times. Just run it. Now you can see it has printed this hello 100 times, right? This is a short way of printing your same string again and again. Okay, now suppose I have a string which is a. So I have this word, for example hello, which is assigned to a, and I have the other variable b, and I assign a number 2 to this, or 5 to this. Okay, and I want to print hello 5 in a single line. How can I do this? I can, for example, I can try to write it like this: a plus b. But let's see what happens when I run this. I will save it and I will run this, and it gives me the error because my variable a is of type string and my variable b is of type integer, and I cannot add or can concatenate these two variables because b has a different data type and a has a different data type. Now in order to print these two variables together, or value of these two variables together, what I can do is I can typecast my b, which is an integer, to the string. And to convert my integer to string, what I can do is I can just do str, and I can enclose this b variable in this function called str. And what this str does is it converts your argument into a string. Okay, and now when I save this and run this, it will run fine, hello 5, right? So in this way you can use string in Python efficiently. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.